Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find AirPods instant fix step by step clearly. If you've misplaced your AirPods, don't worry. Let's start the process of locating them. First, grab your iPhone or any Apple device connected to your AirPods. Open the Find My app on your device. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Once inside the app, tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Look for your AirPods in the list. If your AirPods are nearby, you can play a sound to help locate them. Tap on Play Sound and listen for the tone. If you can't hear them, check the last known location on the map. This will show where they were last connected. If your AirPods are out of battery, check the map for the last location before they disconnected. You can also check your charging case. If they're in the case, the app won't show their location. If they're missing, try retracing your steps. Think about the last place you used them. Consider common areas like your home, car, or workplace. Check under furniture or in bags where they may have fallen. If you have exhausted these options, consider using a third-party app. Some apps are specifically designed to help locate lost. Lastly, ensure your AirPods are updated to the latest firmware. This improves their connectivity and may assist in locating them in the future. Following these steps should help you find your AirPods quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.